What is going on, guys? It is a Wednesday, so we are headed to Ohio. If you guys checked out the last video on Turdzilla, going to pick up the new car. I'm really excited about it. We got the truck trailer loaded up. Yeah, man, this is gonna be it's gonna be a long drive, but it's an exciting one. So let's get on the road. Starting temperature in Florida, a nice 71 degrees. Oh boy, that's a journey. 15 hours, 1,000 miles. We're still in Florida. South Carolina, the slowest pumping pump ever.
Drift the new car?
No.
Oh my god. It's snowing a lot.
Got pretty snowy and salty last night. We're just about 2 hours away. Look at this. Oh my god. And of course, I'm still drinking iced coffee. There is ice. It's iced up. This truck has never seen this. Oh gosh. I tried to break it away, but some of it works. That doesn't. And this is like frozen out. Hopefully that doesn't get broken. We made it.
We are here.
Okay. Temperature check.
Oh, it's not too bad.
33 degrees.
And here we are.
That's it. Gotta back into the driveway.
A little dirty though.
Oh, the truck is really dirty.
Filthy. Oh,
What's up, dog?
Hey, what's up, bro? That's my boy Andrew.
It's cold.
It's very cold.
Woo.
See you, man.
Nice car.
Nice car. Have you ever seen it before?
I
Don't
have.
tell me, buddy, but it's for sale. I'm gonna post it online tonight.
Oh boy. That heat cranks.
That's the car.
Okay, Andrew, what is going on with this turd? Where is it at?
It's at your place.
What do you mean my place? Define what's my place.
Your shop.
What is it doing here in my shop in Ohio?
It's getting some love.
It's getting what kind of love?
All the love.
Oh my gosh, well give me the love.
Yep.
Give me the love, Andrew.
GT500. This is it. Crazy. Now, we don't normally take it out in the snow, but she's got to get cleaned up when she gets back to Florida. Here's just a little taste. Yo. Just a little taste on these cold roads. I can't wait to get this thing back to Florida. I guess we'll just do a little flyby Don over here. Woo! I can't wait. I cannot wait to get this back to Florida. Oh man. Oh, look at how dirty that trailer is, man. How'd you give you a little flyby?
Dude, that was awesome. Can you do it again? Can you turn around? I want one more.
One more?
Why not? You just drove 1,000 miles.
I guess.
One more.
All right.
Can we do one more?
Yeah, you gonna film me an outside flyby?
Yeah, I'll do it on my phone. Hey, this is back together.
Awesome.
Do I need to fold it up and go get the ramp so when you come back, then you can load it and go?
Yeah, we'll just have to watch it really carefully. This thing's
Super careful.
Yeah, but it's been in the other trailer, which is like the same as this, so it should go in.
Yeah, I got another set of your ramps too in the shop. So
okay.
Between the two sets.
Yeah.
But do me another flyby, bro.
All right.
Go to the street. Hey, watch for the ditch.
The turd is tucked away. Got the trailer dirty. Don, you gonna take good care of the turd?
I'm going to take great care of the turd cell.
This is a piece of history right here.
Green is my color, boss.
So what's the plan?
Godzilla swap, twins, and you got a little piece of history right there, right?
Yep.
So that thing's cam sounds good. We're going to do some work to it, right?
Yeah, she needs a few things.
This is the 2023 Ohio go-getter car, 100%.
That's it.
I'm looking forward to it, right? We have a list of things that we're going to do to it, so I'm looking forward to starting the list, and then we'll send it for sure. Absolutely.
So we will have an update for Turdzilla at some point.
She looks sexy in the look, by the way.
Oh, it looks good. I mean, you can't get rid of the turd. The turd is
etched in stone.
Turdzilla. So don't you guys worry. We'll have an update on Turdzilla.
Updates will be coming. Absolutely.
Yep.
100%.
But what's in here? On the journey home, 11:08 p.m. ETA. Just had sunrise. We gotta drive, and the truck is so dirty. It's full of salt and everything. Finally, Florida. Whew. Long ride. We made it. I am so incredibly excited right now. We made it back last night about midnight. It's 8 a.m. There's the GT500. We're going driving today. There may be rain and something else, but we're gonna drive it today. It's the E85. The twin turbo GT500 has landed in Florida. We're gonna drive it. I can't wait. It is so dirty though. So dirty. Maybe I'll try to do a quick wash. It's just so humid right now in the morning. It's hard to get it to look amazing, but yeah, let's try to give it a wash. Dude, the carbon fiber spoiler. Oh my god, carbon fiber wheels. Dude, this is insane. Insane. We are driving the GT500. Oh man, I give it a quick wash off. The Don said that he had it ceramic coated at some point, but it doesn't seem to have held up that well. You guys know I got my friend Nick Shaw down in Daytona. We're gonna correct and ceramic coat this thing for sure. Black is a hard color to keep, and I just washed it off. I'm not sure how good it's gonna look, but I didn't want to go obviously too aggressive and start swirling it up, so I just did a nice pressure washer with foaming soap and give it a light touch with the cloth, and I don't know, hopefully she'll look better. Hopefully we got enough E85 to get us there. I'm gonna try to get some Starbucks coffee, and I can't believe it, we're in Florida. We're in my new 2021 GT500 carbon fiber tri-pack with twin turbos. That is like a mouthful. I can't believe this car's mine. I'm just driving here. I haven't ripped on it, nothing. I can't believe it. So let's keep on rolling.